everyone, this is Zach here. So first of all, thank you for joining me in this section here today. So today, again, as usual, we're going to do some quick stock review, okay, especially those stocks that we do talk about last week. And let's see this week whether got any opportunity or not. But looks like this morning over here, especially tech stocks, okay, I just monitor tech stock, the rest I'm not sure. Looks like still very good, healthy. Overall, I still prefer tech stock. Like I said, some of them actually coming from bottom. They're actually doing some reaccumulation shakeup. So both to pay attention to it. All right. Hello, Roslan. All right. Hello. Hi, Calvin. This is actually Zach. It's not Calvin. This is Zach. Zach is Zach. Okay. My name is Zach. My name is Zach. Okay. So if you join my XIFU Telegram, yeah, I'm the one that actually reply. Okay, the member inside. Okay, so if you got any question, just let me know. Of course, you can share your opinion as well. I do enjoy have some interaction with our members, our user. Like this morning, Dr. Dev share some also. Some members also share other counters as well. So this is the purpose of the group. Okay, yeah, I think as usual, right? MYEG capital MSM. Okay, we're gonna look into that. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna look into that. But I believe you are more into long-term one, right, Roslan? So let's say you are long-term, probably I will use a weekly chart, okay, to check for three of these stocks. No worry, no worry. Okay. So okay, well, let's start with some of our stock first. Okay, so again, if you are here, just type A for me, so yeah, I know you are here. If not, just help me to share this video here. Okay, now first one, let's see. Okay, or maybe we look into some of the other stock first. I think if you're my Telegram channel groups, last 2 weeks ago I do share some of the potential pullback stock. Okay, some actually do it went up, some goes up, it comes back down again, some drop. Okay, but only one so far like Huatai. The rest actually it goes up before it drop or sideways. Okay, so if let's say you follow the pullback, I hope it's not that bad. Okay, only Huatai didn't make it. Okay, even Panda, yes, it dropped, but it actually hit the resistance. I think if you follow my Panda in my Telegram also, I do say is that, or during my live Facebook section, if I'm not mistaken, I do say that I will take partial profits. Okay, it dropped, troubled. Okay, so yes, even though you didn't get the 12% at the top, but at least you get something. Okay, you won't waste your trade over here. Now, before I proceed further, just a quick disclaimer over here. So in my section here, I'm not doing any buy and sell call. Okay, if you want to trade any stock based on our discussion in this video here today, first of all, make sure you get your own trading plan. Okay, if not, get advice from the professional. So for myself, I definitely have my own trading plan. So that's why I have this support resistance in place. Whenever it happens, I'm just going to take action. So like, for example, over here, the other day, I think the S1 is somewhere around this area. It goes up, rejected. Then I know the resistance is strong. Again, leave up to you, but normally I would like to take some partial profit into this area here. Okay, so again, a quick one for Panda. Yes, a down bar high volume. I think overall the setup is okay as long as they are still above the 40 MA. But now currently there's actually plenty of so-called potential stocks. Okay, so probably I don't want to waste so-called the funds, okay, into the stock big weaknesses. Okay, now the other one is CowPoint. Okay, CowPoint actually I'm still holding. Okay, today actually dropped a little bit. So okay, as long as for me it's still above this the small gap area over here, I think it's still fine. Of course, the main support, the next support is around this area here, S1. Okay, so this will be S1 area. Okay, probably want to look into that. Now Friday, actually it tried to cross this R1, but again it failed to cross. On Thursday with a so-called shooting star candle. It rejected again on Friday, going lowest, but today I want to see the closing. But for me so far, I think yes, there's some profit taking here, but I don't see any major weaknesses. Okay, in CowPoint. So maybe it will like this. Okay, maybe worst come to worst, you hit the 40 MA again. Okay, make a deep pullbacks to these so-called S1 level before it retry again. All right. So for those that who yet to enter, probably want to check out is there any sign of strength from this S1 level or not. Okay, for those that who yet to enter. But if you, let's say you enter, I think I posted this out on 26 or 27 April. Okay, so I think if you got something already, if you think it's okay, you might want to take some partial profit from resistance as well. So this is again some things that I'm doing. Now Ante is the one that moved a lot, around 17% since we posted, but unfortunately it's the one I didn't enter. Okay, I tried to enter, but somehow didn't able to find a nice area for me to entry. But for me, yes, currently the S1 is around this level over here. So far still fine. Okay, of course we are in the first 30 minutes right now, on 13th of May. Volume for me remains to be low. As long as low volume above S1, I think no issue lah. This one, yeah, it still can continue to challenge the R1 level. Okay, so that's MTech. Okay, my ECA got movement. So later on we check out ECA also. Okay, now the other one, Icon, Muhiba and Huatai. Okay, so we just want to check some of the stocks here. So okay, Icon, oh okay, low volume. Now today remains low volume, can watch out. Actually, Icon got a shakeout. Yes, here got a bit of so-called big resistance. Okay, unfortunately. But overall current setup here, I think is okay. Or current setup over here is okay. So again, if let's say enter already, if let's say it break, monitor your resistance level, again, it's a good area for you to consider some partial profit. Okay, so risk reward also very important. Okay, currently support to resistance is around 1 against 4. If let's say you're aiming out to around 4 against 1, okay, not too bad. Now next one is Muhiba, also some profit taking. I think this one got chance. Okay, I think this one got chance. Okay, now normally, okay, I think the other day, like I mentioned, right, shooting star, okay, shooting star profit taking lah, which is normal at resistance, like cow point. Okay, but if let's say my opening, right, my opening or maybe my closing is somewhere around here, like for example here today, let's say closing over here, I think this one can make a follow shoot. Okay, like cow point just now you saw, right, cow point actually it actually closed lower, unfortunately. Okay, or close at the same low of the candle. So sometimes this one probably will take some time. Maybe you make a deeper pullback before it went back up again. But let's say it close on the shadow, I think the momentum somehow is stronger most of the time. Okay, so Muhiba, yes. Even though, yes, it moving far a little bit from the pullback areas already, I think they got a chance to continue to try on the resistance level. Okay, now Huatai. Last one from 2 weeks ago. This is again, I just want to go through some of the pullback stock we do talk about. Okay, 2 weeks ago, last week, and then probably we will find out the next pullback opportunity. Okay, so XIFU said SNS. I will look into SNS as well. Now, let's say only Huatai that didn't really make it the other day. I think when I posted it somewhere around here, 26 April 2029 opening. So it actually dropped. Okay, on the closest S1 at the time. Okay, so for me, tak cantik sangat lah, but still, I think still okay. Just that maybe this one going to wait again. Okay, so because here is this S1 level, right? This is like a previous main support already. Okay, so if you can, I hope you can see this. Maybe I make it bolder a bit. Okay. So now over here. Okay, so here is my previous, now current support. Okay, period support. Resistance, support. Okay, so this is a crucial level. This is a crucial level. But just like I say, whenever the pullback fails, it goes back down again. Normally it will take a little bit time. Like my pulse, okay, my pulse are still waiting. Okay, so this is some of the 2 weeks ago I posted. Okay, like I say, 5 went up. Okay, Panda go back to the level again. But hope you if you follow, you take some partial profit. Huatai is the one that actually didn't make it, okay, unfortunately. But if you follow my trading plans over here, I think your cut loss should be very small. Okay, should be very small. Should not be 10% like this. Okay, so again, a manageable risk. Okay, again, I'm not doing any buy and sell call. Just want to share with you some of the things I'm doing, how I react. Okay, to certain reaction. Okay, now this week itself. Okay, I think by RGT tag I already posted several times already. Not only this week. Okay, once this pullback completed, we try over here. I think the setup is nice. Okay, but again, don't ask me when can break up. Sometimes I don't know when. Like me, this morning I just spotted the shakeout. So fast already gap up already. Okay, so if let's say I spotted Friday, probably I enter Friday already. Okay, because sometimes it's like that. Okay, I cannot monitor all stocks, and I don't know when it will break up. So RG Tech, okay, for me, as long as they are still above this 20-day moving average or 40-day moving average, which is very close right now, still okay. All right, still okay. Overall, I think for me, not much issue on this chart. So Notion is the one that I will focus today. Okay, I want to see whether got any. Okay, today drop lower. Oh, but volume quite high. Why? Is it because of the bonus issue news? Oh, okay. Luckily belum masuk lagi. Because I don't really like to enter near resistance. I don't really like to enter near resistance. Okay, but let's see how it goes. Okay, if let's say later on got hammer. Okay, sometimes like that lah. Sometimes they catch up a bit one. Because I think if not mistaken, Dexter is it shared out to the group. They say they got bonus issue in Ocean, if not mistaken. So sometimes because due to this kind of news, right? Yes, there will be profit taking, but later on it got a hammer. Okay, which means maybe the operator still keen. Okay, maybe the operator still keen. I'm not sure now. Still got around 20 minutes to go. Okay, if we can see some hammer, I will look back into it again. If not, it's okay. I got RG tag. Okay, so well, let's say it goes. But the volume definitely right now looks high lah. Okay, if let's say drop with high volume, I'm probably will avoid first. Okay, for Notion. Okay, ECA is a reversal patterns. First reversal for fail to break through. Now they do another second. For me, this is like a accumulation where a little bit of pullback is happening. Volume definitely is great. Okay, if you check out my Telegram, I do share. I think here got one strength signal, here got one strength signal, and the recent one got another strength signal. Okay, so for those that who don't know, the strength signal is actually referred to pullback signal. Okay, yes, I don't have it over here yet in my this platform called XChart. Okay, we just launched. Okay, you can actually try it out. But my developer is working on right now. Hopefully by early of June, we're able to see the strength signal. Okay, in my chart here. So my strength signal normally what I do is that whenever the stock, of course, some stock is momentum lah. Momentum you're easy to see lah. Some stock is that goes up, deep pullback. Okay, so sometimes you're not sure. Okay, where is the area to monitor? I mean, my strength signals probably will help you out on that. Okay, I think like Opstar today I spotted. I was watching Opstar, but I didn't post in the Telegram because the pullback is not completed yet. But looks like just now morning it completed already. So make sure you ask me to check that. Okay, I want to check that. Okay, so ECA, so far so good. I think opening everything's okay, no complaints so far for ECA. Bar West, okay, Bar West actually last week also pullback completed already. If you follow my Telegram, it make a nice closing on Friday. I think somewhere around here pullback's completed and posted up. Okay, yeah, nicely in between 20-40 day moving average. Okay, so here today so far okay lah. So far volume on the first hour not considered low right now. Candle narrow for me still fine. Okay, for this. So if you want to look for a chance, okay, for low risk opportunity, I think 550 should be a quite good ideal level for you to check out. Okay, so again, not sure, probably go have another super rally again. Okay, but looks like Bowers is pretty good chart. Okay, again, not doing by call. But personally, I didn't enter for Bowers because I already go for my EMCC because just EMCC, even though it's a kedai panjat, okay, but I think they are also got lots of this gold as well. Okay, so hopefully it also will bring them up a little bit. So okay, now EDEL Tech. EDEL Tech actually is not considered a pullback. Okay, but of course they're having a same strength as well. This is more like a shakeout. Okay, EDEL Tech is more like a shakeout. Okay, so here first round like an accumulation, pushing back, drop deep. Last Friday closed with high volume. Okay, close with high volume. So while my aim is entering near towards the support area 340. Of course today goes up a little bit, so for me no rush at the moment because I think because now Notion dropped with high volume. So if let's say no hammer, I'm not going to look into it. My next aim is RG Tech maybe. Okay, I'll look into RG Tech. So if not, I think it will hit this resistance, drop, retest support. Okay, so this is the area that I will most probably look into it. Okay, so let's say market is still a bit hot if you want to enter right now at resistance, I also a bit takut So that's why I plan to wait for another deep pullbacks, then start to look for this kind of stock again. Okay, Shangri-La, okay, close resistance as well. All right. So while a big shakeout actually, okay, if you ask me, this is like a big shakeout area. Okay, of course, accumulation is very nice with high volume as well for Shangri-La. Main resistance, okay, this is the main resistance they need to cross, so it's going to take time. But background wise, for those that especially love, okay, long term, I think Shangri-La should be quite good. Okay, now let's look into my FATA. Okay, because usually for fundamental stocks, fundamental are very weak. I'll be straightforward with you. So I rely more on this kind of FATA F score, Prachowski F score. So 8 out of 9. So which means my Prachowski fundamental score is pretty good. Okay, it's pretty good for Shangri-La. Okay, of course, technical wise is not bad, 5 out of 10. So looks like slowly gaining momentum also. Okay, for Shangri-La. Okay, again, I say good for those that who want to look for long-term short, more into mid to long-term. Okay, so that's quick one for me for some of the stocks, previous pullback and current pullback. All right, so now I look into your stock, okay, before I go into trade signal as well, if you want me to go into trade signal. So again, if you are here with me, if you enjoy my section over here, make sure you help me to click the like buttons to support me, help me to share this out. If you yet to join my Telegram, yes, please join my Telegram so that we have this daily discussion interaction. I do welcome some chat discussion over here in my Telegram. Okay, sometimes also you can give some feedback. Don't worry, in stock market there's no. Some people they say that I feel paiseh. I don't want to comment much. I don't know about stock market. I think it's okay. It's fine. In stock market, there's nothing to say that 100% is correct, right or wrong. Okay, because everything still go back to your long terms. Your objective, your strategy. Okay, so yeah, that's very important for me. Okay, so Tiguan Master, I will look into Tiguan. Actually, very nice. Tiguan, I think just I do some homework. I do come across Tiguan, but in my mind, I'm not sure. Tiguan is always a boring stock. So that's why sometimes this kind of counters, even though the site is nice, I don't really enter, okay, because I think Tiguan is a bit slow in movement. But let's see, okay. SS Chan is still in a nice accumulation, but a waiting game. This is a waiting, like my pulse. Okay. Oh, yeah. This morning also a bit busy. I haven't checked out all my stock yet. Let's see pulse. Okay, sorry, I go into my stock a bit first, then we go into your stock. Okay, this one's still boring. Okay, but next accumulation. Okay, again, a waiting game. Okay, Fiamma. Let's look into Fiamma. This one also a bit slow already. But I'm thinking to take some partial profit also. This one, yeah, maybe I take some partial. I just get some my capital for my next opportunity. Okay, success. Let's see, success. Also a little bit of resistance. Okay, today remains low volume. Maybe I keep success. Fiamma, I will take some partial profits already. Okay, so that's my plan. Okay, let's let into my Wangtel. Wangtel a bit disappointing closing again on last Friday. Okay, I thought volume come ready, chanted, but closing, ayo, disappointing again. It's not ready yet. Okay, for me, this is not ready yet. This is going to be another sideways movement. Okay, for this. Okay, now HM, like I said, I already troubled already. Okay, I don't like it, especially when they break the support level. Of course, I'm not sure. Of course, I'm not sure. Like sometimes for me, it's like that. Okay, info. Okay, still need to verify with candles. I mean chart patterns. Okay, sometimes it's like that. Okay, yes, the info might be accurate, but in between got changes. Okay, something at jadi, something tak jadi, or maybe something jadi, but there's another group want to sell. Okay, for example, again, I'm not sharing some information. I'm sharing what I observe, like Epicon, right? Epicon, the news is correct. Okay, remember we talked about lifted from PN17 status. Okay, which is they did. Okay, but this area got people sell. Okay, so sometimes it's like that. Okay, sometimes so that's why anything you still need to go back to chart. Okay, sometimes all these kind of rumors is to help me to have a little bit of edge. Okay, a little bit of edge. Okay, but anything still go back to the chart. Okay, so hopefully you understand this. So if let's say you agree with me, type a A for me, please. If you agree, type a A for me. If you disagree, type a B for me. If you disagree, type a B for me. Okay, and sometimes, okay, info needs time. Okay, so that's why you need to check where is the stages, okay, of this info coming from. Okay, I got a few actually need to wait, but I don't want to share first. Okay, I'm afraid later you all keep asking me every month, hey Zach, move already or not, move already or not. Okay, so like for example, NCT, right? It's the stocks that actually I got this info somewhere around here last year. This is before I joined Seafood. But this year only goes up. Okay, so waited for at least 6 to 7 months. Okay, so sometimes it's like that. Okay, so okay, again, let's see how it goes. Of course, for time to time, if I spotted sometimes I will share it out. Okay, so okay, now let's go to first one, MYEG. Okay, MYEG. Okay, corner goes up, like I said, Rostan, I think ini tak ada masalah lah. Okay, today a bit low volume, so maybe I'm not sure whether it will continue to hit the resistance or not, but let's check weekly. Okay, this is main resistance if you ask me. Okay, this is the main resistance already. I think it's good to lock some profit over here. Again, not doing any buy and sell call. Okay, because whenever it hits here, I'm afraid they will make a deep pullbacks again to support. Okay, deep pullback again to support. So this is my view. Okay, let's do into capital A. I'm going to use Rostan, if you are still here, right? I will continue to use weekly chart because I know you are looking into more long term. Unless you tell me, like you said, oh, this one's for short time, I'll switch back to daily chart. Okay, now capital A, this is I think during the COVID time. Okay, weekly high volume. So it looks like every time they are closing to this support level, the support will come in with high volume. Okay, so again, main resistance. This is the nearest main resistance. Okay, that you need to watch out for. Okay, I think yes, maybe they will with this high volume over here, they will continue to challenge this area. Okay, but again, expect some sideways pullback. Like for example here, let me just zoom in. Okay, maybe somewhere around here. Here, high volume, sideways a bit before they go into this maybe this resistance zone again. Okay, so expect goes up maybe few weeks of sideways boring week before they goes back into the resistance again. All right, so but so far for me weekly chart, yes, there's some profit taking from last week candle. Okay, but as long as the candles remains to around this area over here, okay, especially based on weekly chart, I think still okay, right? Still okay, still healthy to hold. Okay, for capital A. Okay, now MSM is a strong uptrend. Okay, yesterday not a very strong closing. Okay, but overall still low. Volume is not that high. Okay, like if you ask me also, I think it's fine for this. I don't see any weakness to be frank with you for MSM. Of course here it dropped. Worst come to worst, weekly chart hit 20 MA. Okay, worst come to worst, weekly chart hit 20 MA. Like for example here, but quite sometimes already they didn't retest 20 MA. So maybe I think it's time for them to make a slightly longer period of reaccumulation. Okay, before they want to continue uptrend again. Okay, but if you ask me top here, I don't see any so-called the major weakness. Okay, so this is for Roseland. Okay, ECA, we will look into that again. Just now we just done ECA actually. Okay, but I will check that again, the latest one. Okay, let's go back to my daily chart. This is SNS. Okay, SNS yesterday, Friday, drop. Okay, candle actually a bit white. Candle actually a bit white, but luckily volume still average, not high. Okay, average not high. Momentum wise, I still believe God. Okay, momentum wise, I still believe God. I'm not sure you're looking for entry exit, but if you're looking for entry, risk to reward wise, not good. Okay, risk to reward wise, not good. Okay, because you only get 0.8 okay of potential reward. Okay, if let's say you want to cut loss here, your S1 here. So okay, now for me, I probably will do something like Opstar. Okay, wait for them to pull back slightly lower. Okay, a bit closer to 20 MA. Okay, this is my plan. Okay, to look for low risk entry. In fact, I think SNS is a good chart to look for low risk entry. Probably you can wait somewhere around the 20-day moving average area. Okay, so that's my view. Okay, for SNS currently. Okay, let's get into Tiguan. Okay, Tiguan also making a pullbacks. Okay, I think just now morning just like I also go mention, T1 actually I come across this morning. I think it's a nice chart. But just that all this while in my mind is that T1 slow. T1 slow. But again, I don't know, maybe like Shangri-La is a good FA stocks. Let's look into my analyzer. 5 out of 9. Boleh lah. Fundamental score over here, Petrosky F is 5 out of 9. Okay, boleh. So, got dividend this one. Got dividend, I think still okay lah. Boleh beli and simpan lah. Or T1 no dividend, is it? Okay, so again, I'm not sure who is asking T1 and what's your plan. I assume it's long term because this is like a nice representation, a bit similar like Shangri-La if you ask me. So here, okay, we got some volume cross the 20 and 40 MA. So right now they actually doing the first pullback. Okay, let's go back to my daily chart again. Okay, notice here the volume is quite so-called high. Okay, it's quite high over here. So yeah, here with my period support and the resistance. Okay, period support and the resistance, maybe hit here. Okay, of course, 2 ringgit area is the ideal area. Okay, to look for opportunity entry with lower risk. Okay, so 2 ringgit is a nice area to look out to. Okay, so this is the Guan. Let's into Master. Master also recently the trend a bit slow. Oh, still going up. Okay, sorry, my bad. Okay, wow, this one macam VS tech lah, going up, but no much people talk about it. Okay, this one I don't know how to comment because it is going up. I don't see any sign of weakness. Okay, but I think it's also good to lock profit if you already got a good profits right now. Okay, because this one a bit illiquid the stock overall. So sometimes I'm afraid that this might be a pump and dump stocks. Okay, so like for example, sometimes when it drop, it can drop with a one spread candle. Okay, this kind of counter is like that. Okay, it goes up slowly, but one bar it would be a wide spread candle. Okay, so I think the trade is like that. Okay, as long as above holding well on 20 MA, I think it's okay. Like VS Tech previously. Far away from 20 MA, maybe it's good for you to lock some profit because it might pull back to the 20 MAs again. Okay, break below 40 MA, jaga lah. This kind of stock break below 40 MA, normally make a big drop like my PST, my GSP as well. Okay, so this one also lah. This one, all this while going up one slow and steady, but it break. Okay, either is that of course sometimes you make a big dump if not sideways drop, a big wash, push back again. Okay, or a big distribution. Right. Okay, Master done already. Let's into Samai then. Okay, Joel, this is for long term or short term? Personally, for me, I'm looking for long term. Okay, I'm not sure you are looking for long term or short term. So let's say looking for long term, I switch to weekly chart. Okay, I think everything is good for me. Okay, try to break here, pull back, break. Okay, retest. Okay, so this is like a support above peer resistance. Okay, so I based on weekly. I think the trend is still there. Okay, but again, Boris stock. I think we have been holding this since January, last year January. I remember when I see daily chart. Okay, over here got some reversal patterns. Either it's from here or it's from here. I cannot recall. I think it's somewhere from here. Okay, I think somewhere from February. Okay, until now. So it's a bit boring time. Okay, volume also sometimes ada, sometimes other. Okay, so there's some other. But weekly wise, because I'm looking into for long term, so weekly wise for me, the pattern is still okay. Right, so SS chart, let's look into SS chart. Okay, so once again, thank you for joining me this morning. Okay, if you like my section here, okay, if you enjoy my daily morning section, again, help me to click this like buttons, help me to share this out, please. Okay, so okay, SS chart. Yeah, this one. Actually, if I enter this, I also feel a bit dilemma, but I didn't enter. Okay, actually for me, setup is a good one. Okay, accumulation, very nice. Okay, just that sometimes really boring. Okay, this kind of counters in accumulations, right? When there's no volume, you're gonna drag for months. Okay, so again, Joel, I'm not sure you're looking for entry exit. Yeah, I'm not sure you are looking for long term or short terms too. Long term, okay. Right, long term okay because solid support accumulation. This one remind me counters like MPHB Capital. Okay, I've been holding for 1-2 months. In the end, tablet tahan, I exit. I think this year only or last year, end of last year, they only start to jalan. Okay, so sometimes I exit already, a few months later, they move. Okay, I will look into Velo as well. Velo and CTOS. Okay, CTOS also sometimes they're not into it already. So let's into ECA. ECA just now we check, it goes up a little bit. Okay, now drop. Okay, again, my view still the same. I think still got opportunity for ECA. 3 strength signal from support, volume increasing. Okay, I think likely this is it will be a nice reversal. Okay, based on the current chart patterns. Okay, for ECA. Okay, let's do into Velo. Okay, you all need me to go into my trade signal. If yes, type A for me. If you want me to go to my trade signal. Okay, Velo. Oh, Velo at the main resistance already. This level. Okay, this is like a strong resistance area. Okay. Wow. Who's asking this one? Bilan, right? Okay. Okay. Okay, Bilan, not sure you're looking for entry exit, but if you're looking for entry, if you're looking for exit, I think still got chance, okay, for them to cross. Okay, but again, very tricky situation here. Because this is a resistance that they've been rejected twice already. Okay. Volume resistance increasing. Okay. Okay, overall for me, they are doing shakeout. Okay, but shakeout yet to complete. Okay, yet to complete. So what it means is that if you plan to buy and hold, I think it's fun. Okay, if you plan to, hey, hello Wong, hey, just join me right now. Okay, must be busy this morning. Okay, so going back to Velo, Velo, I think it's okay. If you're planning to buy and hold, I think it's fine. Okay, because I still think they're doing a shakeout, but you must have patience because if let's say this time they cannot cross this resistance, they rejected, it's going to drag you for another month again. Or maybe here. Here, previously rejected since May last year until, wow, this year May. Wow, I need 1 year. Okay. Yeah, so maybe it's like that. So some shakeout need times one, to be frank. I cannot really give a prediction, when is the right time for entry. Okay. So but overall, yeah, they're doing shakeout long-term wise. Okay. Right. So let's into CTOX. CTOX, yeah. Tak boleh cross the gaps lah. Okay, CTOX also a bit tricky situation. A bit tricky. Normally, this kind of stuff, I won't take it first. Okay, I won't take it first. Okay, because why? Here, drop with high volume big gaps. Okay, so as long as they didn't cover this gap, right, I still will be extra careful because this kind of gap, especially kind of high volume, right, it will make an inverse pullback. Okay, or they would really takes their time to cross. Okay, I think like you see, MIG took for a year. Let's go to MIG. This one MIG. Betul. What is the latest gap? Not here. This level here. Okay. So if you notice here, gap down. Sorry. Okay, gap down, high volume. They try to cross. Tak jadi. Second time, tak jadi. Drop. Sideways. Now, last 2 weeks. Last month only cross. Okay. So for CTOS, okay, maybe we have this situation. That's why I usually don't really like to so-called trade whenever there is a gap down, high volume. Okay, because it's going to take time for them to cross back. Okay, especially when it comes with some high volume. Okay, thanks, Bilan. Okay, now let's look into last one. Now we go into me, then I'll go into my trade signals. Okay, let's do into me because I just entered just now. Actually, all these are also like me one. Okay, but of course the time gap down. Like I said, gap down, I don't like it. So I just exit with losses that time. Okay, I think me and Wong also keep looking into me also like, whether the shakeout complete or not. Actually, I did not aware, you know. Actually Thursday also consider shakeout complete already. I did not aware. Maybe busy with all the other stock because market still worth to look into it. Okay, 15%. I already actually locked some profit. So this morning it gave up. I got entered a bit so took some partial profit. Okay, before I start my live section. So maybe the rest I will take it later on. Okay, so if let's say today goes up, next few days like this, okay, still above this gap area. Okay, again, not doing any buy and sell call, but I think worth to try. Worth to try. Let's go into weekly chart. Okay, weekly chart wise, looks like I still got lots of opportunity. Okay, opportunities. Okay, so my next main resistance, somewhere around here, 3 ringgit lah. This is 3 ringgit lah. Now it's 2 ringgit plus lah. Okay, not sure whether it hit or not, but it looks like the next resistance is coming from this area here. Okay, it's coming from this area here. Okay, so well, let's see how it goes. But definitely my entry for today, I will base on short terms. Okay, I hope that they will drop sideways for at least one week. Okay, so this area I will look into that. Okay, like Opstar, okay, I think it's already slipped for 1 week plus, right? Today got some signals coming in. I think you can check the XIFU signal. Okay, later on. So here still above gaps. Okay, hits S1 for a few days. Today looks like they got some movement already. Okay, got some movement already. Okay, yeah, so there's some stocks that I need to cover. Oh, Opstar you took already. Okay, actually I'm thinking also Opstar because now my so-called main focus of today is Notion. But Notion this morning dropped with high volume. Let's see. Okay, let's go to my hourly chart. Didn't close with hammer. Okay, topper. Okay, the other one is RG Tech. I actually look into RG Tech as well. Okay, so far so good. Yeah, maybe I'll take Opstar also, I think. Okay, let's see. Because Notion dropped with high volume already this morning. So never mind, no rush. So okay, let's go to my trick signal. Any things that we missed out? Okay, Bursa. Okay, strong momentum. DFX. Apa ni penny stock apa? Okay, and some more like that one. It's okay. CEKD, okay. CEKD up with low volume, okay. CMSB. Wow, this one like a shakeout. Okay, this one like a shakeout. Okay, CMSB. SWIFT. Transportation and logistics also looks like a bit of movement. Hivia Sansuria. Sansuria nice accumulation. Okay. BP plastic, wow. Okay, topper. Chem 1, okay, Chem also a bit of boring one, but nice pullback. Okay, nice pullback. Okay, just that, yeah, it's slightly a bit of boring. Wasco. Nothing much today. CSGP. Wasco nice. Pullback completed. Okay, CSGP mari lagi. This one crazy. Yeah lah, 3 ringgit. I'm not sure whether it's true or not, but this one they say still can marry lah. But I don't need to take it already. Straight away to out today. Okay. All right, EcoWorld. Okay, any other stock that I missed out? Oh yeah, I think last week we talked about ENO, all this, right, Wong? Okay, so some of this I think still can follow. All right, so this one also got a deep pullback with the shakeout patterns. Okay, here. S1 somewhere around here right now. Okay, a deeper pullbacks happening somewhere around here. So I think yes, EcoWorld volume is low nearby S1 level. I think yes, this one is a nice reaccumulation. Okay, goes up sideways like this, goes up. Okay, so here maybe also sideways before it goes up. Okay, so it cover E and O. E and O. Okay, still cannot break this level here, but today low volume, even Friday is low volume. Okay, I think got chance, okay, to cross for E and O. Okay, NGGB, let's name the NGGB. Okay, low volume. Okay, as long as for me, they are above S1, I think it's okay for NGGB. Okay, well, I think with this, I will end my section here today. So once again, thank you for joining me in this morning section. Do remember to join my Telegram, okay, so that, from time to time, we can have some chat, discussion, or update some stocks that I think is worth to monitor, or maybe some update or changes in terms of the setup, okay? So do remember also download my XIFU apps. Just sign in for those new to XIFU. You got 30 days free trial. Inside I got some stock idea that I share with you just now, including the trading plans too. All right. So with this, thank you, and I will see you in the next sections.